This week's weather is really going to warm up quickly again. We got to enjoy at least a little less humidity today, but we're going to see that on the rise for the next couple of days. Heat index values getting back into the upper 90s here very quickly. And we're mostly dry for the next week, but Sunday night into Monday, we might see a few showers. That's still a week out, though. Until then, we have plenty of sunshine tonight on the Stones Corner Pharmacy camera. Right now at the airport, we've got clear skies. Temperatures here are at 90 degrees, a light south wind, but also notice this dew point, which was in the 70s last week, is now in the low 60s, and that makes this heat just a little bit more bearable, especially if you can find some shade outside tonight. This is what we have for temperatures across the area: 90 in Pittsburgh, 94 right now in Parsons, but you add in the humidity and the heat index might actually be right at the temperature, if not just a degree or two cooler than that, so it doesn't add to the heat just yet. But tomorrow that changes, so enjoy this while it's here. We actually dropped down to 60 for a low this morning as well. There's the leading shot of that cool air that's pushing through early today. And behind that, some very dry air coming through. So nothing really in the way of rain, maybe a few clouds here northwest of Chinook. Otherwise, the big feature that's going to control our weather this week is high pressure, which is parked across the southwest. And it's pushing all the active weather back towards Canada. Any systems that do make it across the Rockies are dried out by the time they get here. So nothing really to work with as far as any moisture for rain. So we might see a few clouds from time to time as a few disturbances get caught in that little northwest flow. In fact, Futurecast does show a few clouds late tomorrow afternoon, more than likely just some high thin cloudiness headed into tomorrow night. A light north wind as well during the afternoon. Temperatures back to around 93, and again the heat index at about 97. We see the same for Wednesday as well. Again, that northwest flow brings in a few clouds as we get into Wednesday afternoon, but again all the rainfall is bottled up here to the northwest of us across Nebraska, and that's not even going to be much in the way of any rain. That relief from the heat doesn't look like it gets in our picture until sometime next week, so look for the heat to stay with us right on through this work week. 96 by Thursday. In fact, we could see the heat index approaching 100 by that point. Through the weekend, we are dry. There is a slight chance of showers, maybe a thunderstorm as we head into Sunday night and Monday, and temperatures finally starting to cool back into the upper 80s for highs, but again, that's still 7 days out.